All right, family, I want to share my breakfast now. I'm doing this voiceover because as I was listening to the editing, I called this cereal Captain Crunch, but this is Cinnamon Toast Crunch and orange juice. Also, I have some blueberries in there also. I just wanted something just a little different this morning, and I definitely want to get a lot of potassium in my system. So I'm over here by my peas. Um, I dropped peas with you all, and there we go. We got some peas coming up. Hey, they're coming up, which is really good. Yeah, many of them are coming up, so that's a good sight. Good sight, good sight. Right there, more peas. Peas. That's good. Come on up, baby. And I see some greens are coming up. I put some kale on the side. So here we have some kale coming up here. Yeah. Oh boy. I didn't see all this. That's really good. Very good. Germination. So I took two of my little moringa trees and I put them at the foot of this bed. Yeah. Let's see how they do over here. I dropped lettuce here. There it is. So a lot of it too. There's the lettuce. Coming on up. So before the day's over with, all of this will be clean and my little area for my flowers. That's what I'm gonna do today. Oh boy. So I went over to one of my aunt's house yesterday evening, and she cooked me some Brussels. I've never tasted them the way she, it was almost like a roast or a fry. Now, I am gonna go out and purchase some Brussels, and I'm gonna share with you all what she did. Oh, it was so good. But I'm gonna share it. But today, I'm gonna just drop a couple of more of these seeds because I want more. This is my truck rim. I've been having this rim a part of my garden since the beginning. So there's a picture I put up of Jada when she was 3 years old, and this was her first little herb garden bed. Yeah, in that picture, you will see her. She was watering her herbs after school. If I find that picture, I'm gonna put it right there for you, right? It was the same truck rim. So I'm gonna drop these Brussels in there. Now I'm gonna drop a couple of, maybe about 5 or 6, and I'm gonna have some grow bags prepared for all of them except one. So I'm gonna have just one in each bag. Let's hope we get some Brussels, y'all. That's what I'm looking for. All right, let me open this pack. There we go. So I guess the most important thing is that I really don't want them all touching each other. I want them separated. So I'm kind of spreading them out. Yeah, there we go. Now this is a Swiss chard that's been in this container for a long time. And as you can see, look how thick she is. She's older and she's thick, but she still produces. So I'm feeding her. I'm gonna feed her some 511 today, and yeah. gonna do her thing. All right, let me cover these babies up. All right, they're all covered. I'm just going to make sure they have contact with the soil. That's what I'm doing here. You just want to make sure your seeds have contact with the soil. There's no air and all that kind of good stuff in there. These love bugs are going crazy, right? Alrighty. Let me put some soil here. Look like I see somebody. Yeah. Alright. There we go. Alright, I'm going to give them a little water. Because definitely it's going to rain today. I should just wait till the rain because it's going to rain. Alright guys, let me get to working in this bed. It needs to be clean. I've been harvesting some sugarcane over here. Yeah, I needed a break. And I still have these two over here I need to bring to the back. So I think, no, not that one. That one's still connected. I'll bring this one. She got a pup on her, but yeah, she alright. I'm gonna bring her in the back. So the other ones I've harvested, and now I gotta get those, yo. So I have a couple of ones back there, but I'll get them. But I'll get those. Now I do have some friends that's gonna come over and get some of this sugar cane. So I'm gonna leave it out here for them. And I told them anytime they want to get it, it's here. And look at that big stalk. This one is really big, yo. She's really big. This one is too. I split it. So they can come and get as many as they want. Hello, everyone. This is my Tuesday weather. It is raining. And I didn't get to clean that bed right there. It's raining, man. Goodness gracious. I didn't get to pull my sugar cane down. Well, I pulled a lot of it down. But, yeah, well, we'll do it. We'll get it, y'all. We'll get it. The plantain plants that I cut, look at them. I'm trying to get the ones in the middle right there. Yeah, they look like they've never been cut. They just growing. Look at them. There they are. Those are the ones that I cut. Really. And no, they just big. They grow really fast. Real fast. So the rain has stopped so far today, and out of the 4 leisures that I had, this is my only leisure that is left. Tough, huh? Yeah. That's all right. I'm going to try to hold on to that one. But the plant she's bouncing back. I'm going to prune her real good and then cut off branches like this. And let me just try to save it, but come on, Mama, hang in there. But it looks like she still want to grow more flowers like there. She want to grow more flowers. That's cool, though. But I'm going to feed her and see if she'll hold on. lunch. So I have some lettuce, tomatoes. Yep, arugula is in there. Cheryl, arugula is in there. I kind of like that flavor in there, but I love it. I love it. I have some smothered potatoes. I cooked those last night. I got a little bit more left. I'm going to eat them. And the star of the show for today is fried chicken wings. As a matter of fact, they are lemon pepper fried chicken wings. Yeah, I did with my lemon pepper. Let me share. This is my lemon pepper. I dehydrated. Yep. And I got a box root beer. I also made this oil and vinegar dressing. This is what I made. It's my little concoction. It tastes really good. And that's it. So I'm gonna just take a bite and then I'm gonna let y'all go. All right. That's good. Real good. All right, guys. So this is Dan Permaculture Food Forest Ice Cream. So I made half with peanut butter. The other half is just plain bananas. I did taste it already, y'all. But as you can see, it's wonderfully creamy. Wonderful, wonderful. Yep, that's it. And because I love ice cream and I love bananas, I need the potassium. This is perfect. So Dan, thank you, man. I got it. Oh, I got it. Oh yeah, there it is. Really good. Thanks, man.